Yo, it's Kim Man, man. You know we running the planet, man. It's Kim Man running the planet, man. Yeah, dog. Come on. Yeah, go. Go. Hey, YouTube, how you guys doing? Bang. What's up, the chain? Back again with the next vlog. Now, listen here, what happening today? I bought a car at the auction, and I'm actually going and pay for it and get it picked up today and give it a review to see how it is, you know what I mean? So I pull up at the U-Haul right now to get them car carriers to pull it. How you doing?
You work here?
So no, I don't work here. Yeah, so I come to the U-Haul to see if I could get a car carrier to pull in the car. And then I'm about to go down to the auction and pick it up. And you guys gonna come with me. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. As I'm doing that, I'm also on the auction trying to bid on a next Volkswagen that I see that I like. A Passat. The one that I'm picking up today is also a Passat. You know, so that's what we about to do, guys. So stay tuned and follow me there. Anyhow, we're gonna make this one short because I didn't think you all seen this car here. This is the Volkswagen Passat 2008. Bought this one from the auction, same thing too. I picked this one up before I pick up the Ram. Anyhow, this one had an oil leak. Take it by homie shop, change the gasket on top. It wasn't that, it's still leaking. I just find out where it come from, where the oil leak is from. Paid for that already, but it's all good. I'm gonna fix the leak myself. I see where it come from, so I'm gonna get to that. But right now what I'm doing is the door, as you guys could see, I get this door here painted because it was a different color. I was to buy that door. Alright, I get that door painted. And no, this door, sorry, I got this door painted. But this one had a little hit right here. If you watch good, you're gonna see right here. Right here was hit. So I paid to get that fixed. To fix that, paint that. I might have to get a strap for that. I might have to buy this piece, or I'll just do something to make that hole. This door, they put the door in and the glass wasn't going up. Alright, because the harness. So what I'm working on right now is the harness. So far, this is the old one that I took off. This is the old one that I took off from the original car. From this car basically, but from the original door. Now this is the door that I bought. It's from a different car. It didn't come with the curtain, because this one come with a curtain, right? So I dismantle, see the curtain? I dismantle the next door and I take off the panel from it. Now this is the panel right here with the curtain. You guys can see the curtain. That's the curtain right there. Now the regulator is from the door that I bought from the junkyard, sorry. Now this regulator is the door that actually come with the car, the original. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is basically trying to make this work. See what I'm saying? I had to take out some rivets here. I just hook it up and I realized that it's working, but it's not working. Meaning you hear it going when you press it, but it's not coming down because I need to put a bolt here to hold the piece behind there. There's like a frame. We're holding the glass from going up and down, and then these wires, this run with the wire. So I'm gonna take off this and show you guys, right? So when I take this off, you see this right here? This go in this, but I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. This here actually is on a frame there. All right, now this is the frame right here. Now where my finger is by this hole here, I need to get a screw to go in there and one to go in here to actually hold this door onto the panel without moving. Now it's a kind of complicated something, so I don't know how I'm going to do it because they had Reddits there. But I'm gonna try something just to see what will work, you know. If I press it right now, you actually, yeah, this is complicated. This is complicated. Yeah, so far I got some money in the car so far, but it's the miles for me. Got some good miles, and that count for 08. You know, the interior actually clean and stuff for 08. You know, it got turbo, Volkswagen Passat. You know, so I'm gonna mess around right now and play with this a little, guys, and see what it does. You all mightn't be able to see me doing it because I ain't got no stand to set up my phone because I using my phone. I got my all type of cameras inside, but again, a little lazy. You know, not lazy to say lazy, it's just you can't do this and record and all that at the same time. If I had somebody to be there following my every move and thing, that would have been nice, but you know, I'm doing this by myself, so I gotta make it work out. You know, just keeping all my subscribers update on what I'm doing and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, so okay guys, I'm gonna get to this and then I'll show you all when it's done. All right, if it's working or not, so y'all gonna see if I did a good job or not. So let's go. Okay guys, so I put in the frame. I got the frame to hold on. I had also use a self-tapping screw right there, and as you can see right here, you see the next hole right there, I gotta put one there. But before I do that, I want to test it. All right, I want to put on the next screw inside, and I want to go from the front door, the driver door, sorry, put this here, send this in. All right, and see what the glass is. Let's see what it does. All right, let's see what it do. Okay, push this key down, and oh, look at that. Oh my God, you all see that? Oh my God. Nice. Okay, down. And up. Perfect. But why would you go somebody to paint a door and change and they don't do that one time? Yeah, I had that in my mind, but small thing. I'll take care of it. Get your money up front too, you dig it? But it's all good. I'll take care of it, Brody. Alright, so I need a tire here. I'm thinking about changing out the whole wheels and put some different wheel. I like the one over here on the right side. I like this. So if I could make the whole others like that, yeah, 2008 gonna look like a 2016 or 15. All right, so the door is done. What I want to do right now, guys, is I want to mess around and see if I could put on this piece here, which is the interior. I want to see if this interior could fit on this door. Hopefully it should. I want to put that there, and I need to shoot 2 holes here to hold up the curtain. 2 holes here. One here, one here, one here, one here for the curtain. Alright, so I'm about to put this door here together right now, finish it up. And you guys gonna see. Stay tuned. Okay, I want to see if it's working from here. See? No, it's not working from here. Alright, it's not working from there, guys. But it's working from here. Now, why is... Oh, it's locked. Okay. Okay, it was locked. It was locked. it was locked. There we go. All right, so it's down. Okay, so it's up. All right, the curtain is there. What I gotta do now, I didn't hook the door all the way up. I just rested there. All right, so I'm about to put it in place right now and mess around with the curtain and get it working. All right. So guys, the door is finally completed. I didn't get a pull on the two clip up there to hold the mesh. It come like that and it hold the mesh. The curtain actually, mesh curtain, whatever you want to call it. My hands dirty the door and stuff, but look, I got this to work power. All right, it's power touch. One touch go up. Oh, I thought it was one touch come down, but there's only one touch go up. All right, but that's cool. Yeah, so that's done. All right, yeah, that's fixed. So what I need to be done here again, let's see. So I need a tire. Most likely I might change out the 4 rims. Right, I need a detail, and I have a little oil leak. That's a long story by itself. Anyhow, I have an oil leak. So far it look like it coming from the filter, where the filter is be down inside of here. The filter go up, the oil filter go up inside, and then the cap come over. It does have a washer on there. It look like it's coming from there, either there or the oil pan, but I think it's from that because it's running down on the oil pan and dripping. Right, that's where I seen it coming from so far. It needed a mass airflow sensor. I put that in. I guess I gotta put some more antifreeze, give it an oil change, and that should be it. Now this is how the car look. Check that. And sorry for the quality of the video, guys, because it's my phone I'm using. I got professional cameras and stuff inside, but you know, it's just a little too much to do, and they're big. So right here you could see the chrome right there, bezel. I'm missing the bezel from here. It's brick, so I need to get that. And I guess that should be it. Yeah, that should be it after when I'm done. The radio wasn't working. Actually, behind the radio is a fuse, right? I killed the battery. Yeah, guys, so I killed the battery because all these lights and stuff I had on, right? Yeah, so I killed the battery. Yeah, I killed the battery. But secondary problem. I'm gonna give it a jump real quick. But the radio, I get the radio to work. It was a fuse behind it that was blown. It's a 10 amp fuse behind there, so that's taken care of. See some very quick. 62,000 miles. Yeah, that's good for 08, you know what I mean? Can't beat that. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back where it needs to go. We'll call it off for the night.